Hello everybody, it is your baby boomer Kittee Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, back with another Create and Relate. I do apologize for the amount of time I've been away. Been having some serious technical difficulties, but I had to work through and get it figured out. Today we're back with another ASL version. It's been a minute. And you know what's strange? I have recorded dozens of videos. First it was a problem getting them to upload because it said that I had not enough memory to do whatever it is that needed to be done. Then it was a problem getting the video to stay stable. Here lately it was a problem getting the audio. I'm like, what? Why? No. Okay, so back to ASL. We're still sticking with numbers for right now. This will be the last call for numbers for a little bit. The next lesson is going to be colors. I'm only going to do 6. The one after that will be 6 more colors, and then I'll show you color variations. But today we're going to do the double numbers from 11 to 99. And we're going to start with 11. Okay? Now when you get to the other numbers, you can either do a slide or a single bounce. You want to start with the center frame of your body and move outward. Okay? Whether you slide or bounce. 22 is 22. So you have your bounce. 22. Or you can slide it. 22. 22. Okay? The same thing with 33. 33. Or 33. 44. 44. 55. 55. 66. 66. 70. 77. Ooh, 77. Sorry about that, guys. 88. 88. 99. 99. I'm sorry. Okay. So, like I said, you can either slide them or you can bounce them one time. You don't want to do a series of bouncing because it looks like you're repeating the numbers over and over and over again. So, I got stuck. I'm going to go through the numbers one more time. I'm going to do them all the way through with the single bounce. And then I'm going to come back and do them all the way through with the slide. Okay? So we have 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. I'm so sorry, guys. You'll find out why I'm yawning so much in a moment. Partly because of the camera. And now we're going to do it with the slide. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Very simple. Just imagine your numbers, do your numbers, slide it across or bounce it across one time. Okay? First, before we go any further, I have to thank all of my subscribers. You guys are absolutely awesome. You're the reason I'm here. And it tells me that I'm doing something right because my ASL videos get more views. And with that being the case, share them, guys. Share the videos. Okay, get the word out here. Somebody in the yarning community is helping us to communicate with each other. Also, don't forget to like the videos. please leave comments at the bottom. Let me know how you feel about this. If there's something that you want to say that's clean, not teach you any dirty words, not doing it. But if there's something that you want to learn or you're interested in learning, please, by all means, leave it in the comments. And if it goes any further than that, you have access to my email address in the description box. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. We'll figure this thing out together. And just like I tell you any other time, practice, practice, practice. Get you a study buddy, practice with them, record yourself, and watch yourself doing it back so you can learn how to read what you're saying. I want to get to the point that we come in and I say to you, did you notice the facial expressions in that? And all I said was, hi, how are you? You deaf or hearing? I know, funny. I'll explain it. And then I said, I'm hard of hearing. Okay? So I want to come in one day and hold a whole conversation with you guys like that. And you just read or type in the comments what I said. You know, no testing, nothing like that. And let me see what everybody comes up with. Okay? So, why am I yawning so much? Because for the past 3 nights, I've been in bed by now. It is 1:03. It is an hour past my bedtime. But when I realized that I had audio and that I might be able to upload this video before I go to bed, I was like, oh, let's do this. Let's do this. Oh. I'm sorry, guys. So I'm trying. I'm going to try to get this uploaded, at least scheduled to come out to you all a little later on today, so you can see that we're getting back into this ASL. Also, I got a sneak peek of a project that I'm working on. I had to do the prototype and I'm really, really, really proud of it. What has gotten me to the point of sleeping better, focusing more on the work that I like to do, what I need to do, is ChatGPT. I have been able to make my own personal assistant who helps me with my writing. Yes, I am getting back into my writing. Who's also helping me in organizing things around the house. When it came to cleaning and moving things around, I was getting so overwhelmed because it just seemed like so much to do. And in breaking things down, I have OCD really bad. So it's like I want things done, but I want them done in a certain order. But I'm a list person. So to have someone generate a list for me, a workable list for me, really, really helped me out so much. You know, and you don't disclose any real personal information. You just tell this app or system or AI what you need, and they help you. They will let you know when it's bedtime, help you create a playlist to sleep to. I don't know how to write patterns, but it's been suggested to me with the information that I've given that they will assist me in writing patterns. Guys, you know, so I'm like really, really, really excited. The project that we've come up with so far is for, a future advent bag that I want to try in February. I had 3 themes in mind. And the one that we're working on right now is chocolate covered strawberries. It's working up so nicely. I am really impressed at how this is working up. And the fact that it's simple, it's extensive, but not expensive. Extensive, but really simple. Single crochets, guys. Single crochets. but it is a really, really practical tool. And just to be able to share it with you guys, and you know, the joy of somebody else, the joy that someone else may get out of my joy. I'm just like, so I'm really excited about that, and I'm excited about sharing it with you. There are a couple of announcements that I want to make, and I'll make more of them as we go along. First of all, I want to really shout out my video star of the week for last week. I'm going to carry her over into this week because of me having technical difficulties. I wasn't able to really put her out there like I wanted to. And of course, it's Ginger, the yarn geek. Guys, if you like yarn, I'm not love, if you like yarn, go to her page. If you love yarn, go to her page. If you obsess over yarn, go to her page. I'm telling you, when you see this yarn, you will simply salivate. It's like, it's amazing to see. Y'all, I could sleep in the storage room. I would be in heaven. I'm in heaven. I'm telling you. Her page is amazing. And then she has 7 children. And she's married. And she helps her mom get her yarn stitch. Her mom. She and her mom. I'm telling you. I think they got all the yarn in America in their possession. We just need to buy from them when we need yarn. Y'all, and it's beautiful yarn. And it's well kept. Oh my goodness. It's excuse me, it's surreal to see all of this together. It's amazing. So her information is going to be posted below. Please run over and check her out. Please go over and check her out. Also, the bingo, the Makers Bingo, is no longer in existence. I only had 2 people to buy cards. I didn't think it was fair to them to put them through that. You know, the amount of time that was put in and the amount of time that would be put in to making those items, and it just be the 2 of them. And I really felt like both of them should get something out of it. So I have offered to refund their money, and they could keep the cards if they like. You know, it's just something that they could do to keep them from being bored over the summer. Would I ever try that again? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll run a poll the next time and see how everybody feels about it. But for right now, it's not on the table. I have elected to let a lot of my whips go because my passion, my niche is tapestry crochet. I'm getting back to my basics. I'm going back to my love, where I feel comfortable, where I feel safe, where I feel pretty, where I feel amazing, and I'm getting it done. Those of you who have followed me lately have seen the progress with the Ghost Brothers blanket. I am just about finished with the Dalen part. This Advent bag is tapestry crochet as well. And it's so much fun to me to just see how much you can create. My doctor's office piece is going to be a work of art as well, and we're looking into the picture that goes on it now. So yeah, those are the types of things that I've been doing. Your sister is sleepy. I am, and I gotta get up at 7. So I am going to work with this video. As I always tell you, please remember to be bold, be brave, be beautiful, and behave. Remember, Kittee Lane told you, and remember, Kittee Lane loves you. So until we see each other again on these YouTube streets, peace out, everybody.